In this lesson, we're going to look at how to append data to a file. And by that I mean just add data to the end of a sequential file. We still need the fstream library, so that's up in the beginning with our preprocessor directives. The type of object we're going to create is an output file, so it's ofstream, just like before. We'll name it out file. And we're going to work with the same file, so here's our path. None of that's changed. But we're going to add a second argument here. iOS::app, which stands for append. And so what we're doing is we're opening this file in append mode, which means that the very next write that we're going to do is going to be at the bottom of the file. So what I want to do is, rather than go through a loop, we're just going to add a couple of records. Oh, wrong way there. And then with that, we'll stop. So we're going to do out file close. So we wrote 2 grades out. And then we're going to close the file. Let's run the program. We won't see any output to our program itself, and that's fine. And there, sure enough, we didn't see any output. Now let's go to the file itself. Let me clear the screen and type grades.txt. And so you'll see what happened. At the end of the file, it added our 78 and 88. So to append to a file, open the file like you normally would and add the constant iOS::app, and then write data to the file just like you normally would and close the file. And then when you go back to look at the data in the file, you'll find the data that you wrote is appended to the end of the file after the data that was already there. And with that, we've wrapped up this lesson on appending data to a file.